Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this yogurt with powdered milk and it is so easy to make. Let's get started. I have half cup of milk powder and I also have 1.5 cup of water. So I'll be adding the water into the powdered milk and I'll stir it for the powdered milk to get dissolved. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share my video to family and friends. Now I'm done stirring. I'll gently pour it into this frying pan. Then I'll place it on fire for it to boil to the temperature I want it. I'll continuously monitor it so that when it starts to boil, I'll quickly turn off the flame. As you can see in the video, it's boiling, but I'll not let it overboil. So I have switched off my flame. I'll then allow it to cool until when I can dip my finger into it. If I can withstand the temperature, then I can now add my yogurt starter. So I've just poured it into this cup, this measuring cup. And remember, I have a video on how to make yogurt starter with powdered milk, and that is what I'm using here. I've just added it into the little warm milk and I'll gently stir it for it to mix well. After this, I'll then add it into my cup of warm milk. Then I will mix or stir everything together. I'm just so happy in making this because now I'll continuously make it for my family. So after mixing, I just pour it into this airtight bowl. Then I'll place it in another bowl just to keep it warm, and I'll cover it. I'm adding this kitchen towel to provide extra warmth to it. So I'm just keeping it here. I'll not bother it, and after 8 hours I'll open it to check. Now it's 8 hours. I'm opening to see what I will get. Wow, see what I had. It's so attractive, beautiful, and I know it will taste so great. So at this stage, you may either add sugar or you can take it this way. I hope you also try this recipe by following the guidelines or the steps I used, and yours too will come out with quality texture. So now I'm just pouring into this small bowl to go and enjoy my yogurt, but I'll be reserving a little so that I can use it as my starter in my next yogurt making. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.